is the beginner left finish. This is a relatively inexperienced dog, not my dog, so we'll see how it goes. And I thought it may be easier to show. Neto, front. Yes. Okay. Start with the dog in front, sit on the sit, with a piece of food in the left hand, especially for this is for bigger dogs. As the left hand comes back, the left foot takes a step back. The command is heel, you circle your left hand right past your trouser leg, sit. Bringing your hand up, asking the dog to sit. Yes. Again, come round front. Good boy. We swing the hand heel with the dog following the food, around the circle with the hand past the leg, sit. Yes. And the dog is rewarded. Remembering these are people who are just learning, so we are showing the dog by a lure what to do, so they learn exactly what behaviour we want. Good boy.